Hi there, and welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Today's quick tutorial is all about one thing: moving your Windows taskbar. Maybe you're tired of it being at the bottom. Maybe you want it on the top or the side, or you accidentally moved it and now want it back. Whatever the reason, don't worry. Moving the taskbar is easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. If you're using Windows 10, follow these steps. First, right-click on any empty space on the taskbar. If you see a check mark next to Lock the taskbar, click it once to unlock the taskbar. Now, place your mouse cursor on the taskbar itself. Click, hold, and drag it to where you want: top, left, or right side of the screen. Release the mouse button, and boom! Your taskbar is now in a new position. Once it's where you want it, right-click again and choose Lock the taskbar to prevent accidental moves. Now, if you're using Windows 11, here's the catch. Microsoft removed full taskbar movement. By default, the taskbar can only stay at the bottom, but there's a small trick to center or left align the icons. Here's how. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and click on Taskbar Behaviors. Under Taskbar, Alignment, choose between center and left. That's all Microsoft allows officially right now. If you really want to move it to the top or sides in Windows 11, you'd need third-party tools like Start All Back or Explorer Patcher. But that's a topic for another video. So now you know how to move or adjust your taskbar the way you want it, whether for productivity, preference, or just a fresh new look. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.